Hi, welcome to the channel. Usually this is a channel dedicated just to Jeep stuff, but today's video is totally different. I'm going to cover a topic that is sure to get me completely roasted and flamed online. This is absolutely my most controversial video to date. So check it out.
I've done a lot of wheeling over the years. I've spent a lot of time bouncing around behind the wheel of my Jeep. Anyone who off-roads their rig like I do has also spent a lot of time outside of it, doing things like recoveries, a winter campfire or two, maybe even some cooking. Oh, and taking selfies of their fabled rigs. The bottom line here is, when you wheel, you spend a lot of time getting in and out of your rig. And most of the time, the seatbelt is a giant pain in the ass.
Don't judge me, but these things are awesome.
Right or wrong, I scooped a set of seatbelt alarm stoppers from Amazon. Now let the flaming begin. They are a universal fit, so they clip into pretty much any manufacturer's seatbelt.
Be respectful in the comments. Be kind to me when you completely flame me and ridicule me for using one of these. But just so we're perfectly clear, I do not recommend using this in a high degree ascent or a descent. For those kind of trails, 100% safety first. If there's any risk of a vehicle rollover, absolutely use your seatbelt.
But use common sense here. If your windshield is full of ground and there's no sky, don't use these clips. Use the safety belt, that's what it's for.
But if it's a really basic trail, to kind of save yourself, some headaches with the banger or whatever, that's where this little gadget comes in. For my ins and outs, when I stop to take photos, when I stop to recover somebody, when I stop to get recovered myself, it takes the annoying binger out of the equation. So I hope you liked my video. If you did like this video, click the like button, tap the like button, smash the like button. Just do something with the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out my adventures playlist so you can see all the different trails I've taken Ruby on over the years. And in the meantime, I hope to see you all on one of those trails. And I'm out of here.